Pop quiz. A client who does not speak or understand English has an interpreter at the bedside assisting a nurse with an admission interview and assessment. Which action is most important for the nurse while utilizing the interpreter? 1. Asking the questions directly to the interpreter. 2. Asking the questions directly to the client. 3. Asking the interpreter to step out of the room while completing the physical assessment. Or 4. Allowing the interpreter to rephrase questions and responses instead of interpreting each word. And guys, the correct answer is 2, asking the questions directly to the client. So here's the thing, even though you're using an official interpreter, you still have to maintain that therapeutic communication with the patient. And one of those things is directing the questions to the patient, keeping that eye contact, even though you're looking at the patient and you're asking the patient the questions. The interpreter is going to interpret whatever it is that you're saying, and they'll tell you what the patient's response is. But you want to maintain that contact. One other thing I'm going to say about this question that's very important for you guys to know. If you guys ever get a test question about you being a nurse and the patient doesn't speak the same language, you're never going to get a coworker to interpret, and you're never going to use a family member to interpret. You have to use a language line or some type of official interpreter.